This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn off comments from a Facebook page. So if you're in your Facebook page and if you want to turn off a comment for a specific post, follow these easy steps. First of all, make sure you are the owner of the page or you're admin of the page. Now scroll down and search for the post you want to turn off comments from everyone. And now tap on this three dot and tap on who can comment on this post. And here you will get these 4 options. If you select public, anyone will be able to comment to your post. And if you select established followers, then only your Facebook followers will be able to comment on this post. And if you select profiles and pages you follow, then only those profiles and pages will be able to comment on your post you follow. And if you select profiles and pages you mention, then no one will be able to comment on this post. But if you mention a profile or a page, then only those profile or page will be able to comment. So this is how we can do it. To turn off, you have to select. To turn off comments, you have to select profiles and pages you mention. And this is how we can turn off comments from our Facebook page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.